You guys, here's LingoJet, and today I'm gonna continue teaching you the numbers. In this video, I'm gonna teach you the numbers from 30 till billion. For studying and reviewing the numbers from 0 till 29, you can just watch our previous video about the numbers. Before we get started, please just go down there and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. So, let's get started. First of all, I will teach you from 30, 40 till 100 and then 1,000 and so on. So, are you ready? Let's go. 30 in French means 30. 30. 30 means 30. 30. 40. 40 means 40. 40 means 40. 50. 50 means 50. 50 means 50. 60 means 60. 60 means 60. 70 means 70. 70. 70. Can you remember the meaning of word 10? 10 means 10. So 70 means 60 plus 10 that equals 70. 80. 80 means 80. 80. 80. 80 means 4 20s. So 4 20s equals 80. 80. 90 means 90. So 4 20s plus 10 equals 90. It somehow maybe is complicated, but it's so easy. 90. 90 means 90. So, one more time. 30. 40. 40. Yes, great, that's it. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. That is 90. And 100 means 100. 100. 100. 100 means 100. Okay. Listen and repeat after me. Écoutez et répétez après moi. Great. 30. 30. 40. 40. Yes. 50. 50. 60. 60. 70. 70. 80. 80. 90. 90. 100. 100. Très bien. Great. So, next one. 1,000 in French means 1000. 1000. 1000 means 1,000. Can you just tell me 10,000? Yes, 10,000. It's not 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 means 10,000. And now, 100,000. 100,000 means, can you just tell me? 100,000. 100 means 1,000. 100 means 100 and 1000 means 1,000. So 100,000 means what? 100 and 1,000. 100,000. Million in French means million. Million. Million means million. It's also important to note that there are some crucial tips about these numbers. When you want to say 71 in French, you should not say 71. It's completely wrong. You should say 71. 71 means 71. That is 60 plus 11. That is equals 71. And for example, 72. it's 60 plus 12. That is equals 72. Great. Next one. If you want to say 91, you shouldn't say 90 ans. God, is totally wrong. No. You should say 91. 91. 91. 80. What's the meaning of 80? 80 is, yes, 80. 91. 11. 91 equals 91. That's it. So between 70 till 80 and between 90 till 100 in French should use 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. No, between 11 till 19 should say in these durations. Okay? Great. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please just practice. This lesson is so important. You should just practice them because individually, whenever you just practice for yourself, you will improve your level of French and you can just accomplish the higher levels of learning French. So one more time, I just advise you to please and beg you to practice these lessons for yourself individually. For example, you just can make some examples for yourself. For example, what is 35 in French? So 30 was 30 and 5 was 5. So 35 means, for example, 35. These examples like this, okay? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting. Please subscribe, have any post notification turned on. Whenever you have any question, you can just ask in the comment below. Goodbye.